Jason has a new ball that makes some noises. Oh, and a kitty. Jack wants to come see what it's all about, Jason. Can you roll it to me? I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Here it comes. The kitty wants to play with it too, I think. Did it do it again? Is it so funny? I'm going to roll it to you. Go get it. Where did Jack go? Were you looking for him? There he is. He's on the couch. Hey, Jackie. You let go. Whoa! Is it not so funny now? All right.